Hey, True Believers, Englentine here. We are at SeaWorld, as you can see right here. It's my brother's birthday. This is where he wanted to go. Figure, okay, what the heck? It is an incredibly busy day. Wow, I have never seen SeaWorld this busy. Well, okay, July 4th. But dang, we're gonna see what we can do. Have a little fun. All right. Busy, busy day.
Fun day.
Fun day. That's what we're hoping for. Hey! It's the Norse god Shamu. Shamu, god of thunder.
And we are off.
Alrighty, cool. Let's go, Chow. Hi, Chows. Alright.
Now, the first eatery.
March is Dolphin Awareness Month. I wasn't even aware of the Awareness Month. I know about the dolphins, though. Tinga de Res Taco. Oh, that looks good right there. Oh my gosh. There is stuff to have here. Chile ring. I know there are not high prices, especially compared to the festivals you see at Disney. You can even have a rum and you can't just taste tequila. You got to go all out on it. There you go. We're gonna go have lunch over there at the Voyager barbecue. And I'm gonna have dang it, they don't have the fry shop open. That does suck. On a busy day like today, you would think they would. First spot we're doing on our dining tour today is the Voyager Snacks. And it has got a whole bunch of home-style fry cones.
Holy cow, there you go, guys.
And I'm going, usually I'd go with buffalo chicken, but right now I'm going with the pulled pork. We're gonna see how that is. All right, thank you very much. And Sprite. So I got the barbecue pulled pork poutine. That's basically what this is. It's a waffle cone filled with fries, and it's got barbecue pork and cheese on top. So we're gonna give it a shot. I'll give a quick review. It looks ugly as hell. And I'm taking a picture of it next to a pig. So we'll see how it is. All right, so I finished the pulled pork poutine. That's basically what it is. They say it's a cone full of fries. Yeah, it's poutine. In this case, it was pulled pork, barbecue. Surprisingly enough, you get a lot of barbecue, but it's all top heavy, so you gotta pick through it. The other problem is packaging. You gotta hold it. There's nothing to put down. If you put it down, it's gonna fall all out. But the flavors are there. It's $8.99. It's worth it for a snack. Not worth it if you're on the dining plan though, because you really don't get a lot of food with it.
As opposed to the plates.
Yeah, you go to the Voyager thing, you get a $17.99 plate, you get ribs, chicken, sausage. It's flavorful for a snack though. The Pepper Mill. We've been here a couple of times, not very often though, because it's burgers and fries and sandwiches, stuff like that. I would try the Pepper Mill. They've got something new called the Spice Mill Club. And it looks like it's turkey, salami, pepper jack cheese. Yeah, I would give that a try.
I ran this place 12 years ago.
Oh, okay. So you wanted to come in here just to see if
just to see if anything had changed.
Oh, okay.
And from what I can see, not a thing has changed.
Not even the menu. It's the balance on one leg challenge. How long can you go? Looks like they're all just chilling for a while. It's the Big Daddy.
Definitely two of those in there.
Look how long that tail is.
They had a couple of lemon sharks in there also. Unless these are the lemon sharks.
They taste like lemon?
I don't know. They might taste good with lemon.
I'm pretty sure of that. Jump in and find out. Yep, coming to pick a fight. Well, that's just rude. I like the way they all gathered around us thinking we've got food. They have a what?
Is this one of those things like?
It is a feeding pool, yes. Yeah, and it looks like they're still selling, so that's why they're coming over to us. They think we've got food.
Right.
Ah, suckers! Impressive. We're going to feed the sharks. We're going to feed him to the sharks.
Yeah, we're feeding Nathan to him.
Yeah, well, he'd be a bigger meal.
Have you though?
I have. Yeah.
No! You were supposed to say no!
What? I've been down to the Keys. I have swum with sharks. They didn't like.
Holy Toledo, there's a big guy. Alrighty, and you guys are going to try to start a feeding frenzy right here. So let's see what happens. Toss it in there, that's how to do it. See if it gets any notice. Whoop.
Wall it up real quick.
I remember going, hey, I want to see if I could feed a specific fish, and it never works. Well, you lose.
No, it's gonna grab it. You got it.
Hey, he got it. Nope. It's not fair. My mouth is on the bottom. Holy Toledo. He wanted that. Okay, I'm tending to notice that these fish are a little bit faster on the draw.
The Jack Crevalle are speed predators. There are actually, there's documentary of them. There's this island where all the birds nest and roost. When the babies take off, they'll land in the water, and the fish can actually see the birds flying and will actually jump out of the water after the baby bird.
Wow.
So we're feeding the Jack Crevalle. We're feeding the jacks. We're feeding the sharks.
Wow, I'm surprised any of these other fish get some food.
With all that's going on, I'm surprised.
The rays are right here. They're trying to get something. They're right in front of you. Okay, nobody's noticing. Nobody's noticing. And it's got. Right out in the center there. Does a little Jaws act. These rays are getting ticked. They're not being included here. Let that big guy wake up and say, hey, you give me a small one or I'll eat one of you big ones.
I just grabbed both of them.
That's funny. The rays are hungry. They want to eat something. Right? Oh, he got it. We have a winner. There he goes. Oh, right on top of you. It's right there. It's right above you. Oh, and the jack got it.
I doubt it's going to get to the bottom to get these little lemon sharks down here.
And does it. It's going. It's gone. No, it's on one of the lemon sharks. It is now right at the bottom there. And it's got. Yeah, it actually did make it to one of the lemon sharks.
Just right across there, over on the other side.
Is that a real shark? It hasn't moved.
Shark chapter nerve. Oh, that one's had a fight taken out. Check it.
Oh yeah, that lemon shark right there, swimming away. Actually, a lot of these smaller ones had bites. Let me out! I know somebody comes over here to let us out and we can go meet people. Actually, that's true. They'll bring birds out through here, and they'll have people meet them and everything.
Where the people
I don't
come
want
in.
anybody to say the birds aren't nice with that.
But that is really cool. It looks like he's waiting for somebody. He's just, okay, I know this is the way out. I know it's the way out. I'm going to get out of here. I promise you. Or my name isn't Steve McQueen. I will make my great escape. Hey, birdie. What's up? How you doing? Yep, right here. So what's up? Yeah? Are you hungry? Is that why? You coming over here thinking someone's gonna give you food? Oh, okay. Sorry I'm not that guy. But nice to meet you though. Coming over say, okay. Yep. That is kind of cute and sad all at once. Okay, I know I'm not with Gail today, but I still have to look for her puffer fish while I'm here. Oh, there it is. It's not the baby puffer that it used to be. There you go, Gail. That's your puffer fish, all grown up. Animals kind of have a cute ugliness to them. There you go. That's the puffer. Let's get a close up. Bum bum bum.
Just a small one for you.
That is a happy-go-lucky fish, knowing that if I was in the water with them, it would not be nice for me. 40 years I've been coming. You've never moved. Up on the food tour, we're going to Expedition Cafe. I've been here once, but I don't think we ever reviewed it, so we're gonna give this one a try. Turkey Club Croissant. Okay, there's some different stuff here. I'm gonna give it a shot. Very much a cafeteria feel inside. Alright, so we did come to the Expedition Cafe. My brother got the orange chicken. What do you think?
It's orange chicken.
It's orange chicken. Is it good orange chicken, or is it, as I'm tasting over here, almost like...
I've had worse, but I've also had better.
It's salty. If you ever watch Green Book, it's salty. It's all the flavor is in the salt.
You're not mean.
Take it. Take it. That's fine. I'm not mad. I also got the carrot cake. You know what I think about the carrot cake. I got it for everybody to share. But there you go. What do you think?
What's it supposed to be?
Teriyaki. It's salty.
It's supposed to be teriyaki?
Yeah. There's no teriyaki flavor. It's a salty flavor. What do you think?
It's overcooked. It's kind of rubbery.
Rubbery.
I don't taste the teriyaki on it at all.
No, this is the second time the expedition has burned me. I'm gonna skip this from now on, I think.
I know the egg rolls are amazing.
Okay, well, I missed out. Something's going on there. Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's a fish down there.
Hey, oh, almost, almost. Ah.
Oh. That was in the deep section here.
There he goes. What's he doing? Tenderizing it?
It might be still frozen.
Well, you better grab it before one of these other birds decides they're going to want it. Somebody's taking an interest over here. You might have a competitor.
Or you might just be playing with it.
That guy looks like he's ready to come in for the steal. You know, I didn't really realize that this entire video is about feeding. Well, except for the dancing statue. Beyond that, this entire video, we fed, sharks fed, birds fed. I'm going to have to put that in the title or something. Anyway, what did you think? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to click like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Hit that notification bell because that's what YouTube really cares about. Also, don't forget to go on over to I was about to say VidMe. That's done. Don't forget to go on over to Ko-Fi or to Patreon. Drop $1 in the till and helps keep making videos for you. And if you do like the video, by all means, please click on one of the boxes here and check out another video. Maybe you'll like that one too. Thank everybody who's already done that, and to everyone, all of the true believers, thank you very, very much for watching.